Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Great collab here. Lil Peep with Lil Tracy and Horse Head. They do last fall. Really love that song because it has this very prominent guitar and the song is good as well. So let's go into this last fall song. Alright, so we have the capo on the second fret. That's a great start, best setup for us. And with that, we have three chords. Let's learn them first. We're gonna go into E minor, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be the C G. That's a C chord, but with this G note in the bass. Give us this darker sound. It goes third on E, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then finally we have this D A chord. And that is basically the D sus, but we have this A note. Again, it gives a little bit darker sound. So you will hold and play open A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. For this specific chord, I will try to avoid to play and strum on the last E string because we want the darker sounds to stay in the mid area for this specific chord. So yeah, let's go into the strumming. And we're gonna learn it with the first chord, E minor. So it's a pretty long one. We're gonna play like this. All right, so you're gonna start with first one down. And then comes down, up, down, up, down. So down, up, down, up, down. And then comes down, up, down. And then finally comes down, up, down, up. So I like to think as these different parts of the strumming because we have short pauses after each and every segment I just mentioned for you. So I have first one down, down, and then comes down, up, down, up, down. And then comes down, up, down. And then finally down, up, down, up. So slowly like this. And in tempo. And a couple of rounds. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So short pauses after each and every segment or part that I just mentioned for you. So that is one string around all that. So you're gonna play E minor, one string around, the CG1, and then the DA2. And that's it. You're gonna roll these three chords in that same way through the entire song. So E minor 1, CG1, DA2, like this. Alright guys, so that's it for this tutorial. The challenge here will be the strumming, and you cannot just count downs and up. You're just gonna learn it and then feel it, and it just flows. So that is how it will go. So give it some time, practice, and you will have that. So thank you so much for watching this time. Last fall, that's the title of the song. And if you appreciate this tutorial, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's the least you can do for me. So thank you so much, guys, and until next time, play tuned.